Roy Mackey at the plate. That misses outside. That'll even the count at 1-1. The 1-1. Swung on and fouled back. It's now 1 ball, 2 strikes. Called strike 3. Breaking ball outside corner. 1 away here in the top of the 3rd. That will bring up Adam Gonzalez. Fastball outside corner, called strike 1. The 0-1. Just out of the zone there. Count even, 1 ball, 1 strike. Swinging strike there. Count now 1-2. One ball, 2 strike. The delivery from Pushmeyer. Swung on the 2nd strikeout of the inning. And it'll be the top of the lineup here and Robert Draper. The Saints need to get something going here. 4-0 ball game. Kyle Pushmeyer has been pretty dominant on the mound so far. He's got his last 3 batters he's faced, all 3 strikeouts.
Wow.
Robert Draper at the plate now. First pitch misses outside. 1 ball, no strikes. The 1-0 swung on. It will